Every Monkey Wrench Mike, you can tell by the headrest here, I am in the SL500 because today we're going to fix two problems. That's right, one video, two problems. First thing, we're going to fix what is beneath my legs. I almost said between my legs. What is beneath my legs, under my legs, what I'm sitting on right now. We're also gonna fix some brakes. That's right. Stay tuned.
Yep, that sounds good.
It's the next day. Oh. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Well, the plan today for Rusty is remove that seat right there. Remember how much fun that was to leave me alone, all right? This is not the day, okay? Go play with your friend. Yeah, remember how much fun that was to remove the first time? I had to dance for like an hour to get this thing out. It's all because the soft top or the hard top doesn't work. We're charging the battery too. So we're going to try to maneuver this out. After we get that out, we're going to replace the bottom seat cushion. I have another one, which looks beautiful. Then we're going to attack the back brake pads. This is coming along much easier than anticipated. Okay, to remove the front piece inside your little, I don't know what you call that, your, not a glove box, your butt box? Yeah, there's a little glove box that goes under your butt right here. Okay, there it is. You have a screw here, you have a screw here, and a big bolt right there. Take those off. That thing just kind of falls off. Then it's just a typical seat cushion repair. Okay, you unfold this, and this will pull out. There's a couple of pieces like right here that you have to get to, and there's a little, like an attachment point right here and one back there, and this should basically come right out. I do have a mystery airline hose. Don't know where that goes. I don't see where it's not attached to anything under here. So I don't know. Oh wait, no. I don't think I don't know. I don't know where it goes. So we'll keep looking. That was just oodles and oodles and oodles and sheepadoodles of fun. Yeah, okay, basically, once you have to make the seat as small as it can be to get it out. Then you have to raise it up because there's two wires that are zip tied right under here that go to the seat heater. Yeah, so you got to raise it up, which means you got to connect it somehow to that, lean it on the door sill. And yes, I'm getting the seat dirty from the grease. That's not a good thing. Okay, so anyway, and you have to remove the back to get the back part of the seat out. This is lovely. We're saving another life at the hospital. The doctors are gonna go check it out and make sure it's fine. Lola wants to play. She's got a little ball right there. Okay, while they do that, we're gonna have a ball putting this on. This is the new one. That's the old one. I'm gonna save the final reveal until we get it all put together. So basically, just rewind everything you watched, and that's how you put it back on, okay? Let's do that and see how it goes. Here's some lovely, entertaining music. You want to see something gorgeous? Not that. Not that. Almost that. Okay, she's in. And she just stopped binging. Okay, anyway, take a look. I haven't cleaned it yet. It's still dirty from my grubby fingerprints. But look at the difference. Holy moly. This little car is coming back mwah, beautifully. Time now for the brakes. We're going to focus on the back brakes because the front brakes are fine. So you guys see me do this 1,000 times. So we're going to take the brake Whew, caliper apart. I'll show you the brake pads and we'll see what comes next. Okay, how about some music? This is turning out to be a very easy project. I'm loving this car. Okay, a little bit different though. We have a T40. Okay, that's what holds the calipers in right there. Okay, but that's okay. We learned and we move on. Look how little brake pad is left there. It should look like, where's the corresponding one? It should look like that. Yep, and I guess the sensor is on the other side, so I'll show you that too. Okay, we'll get this all cleaned up, put back together. It snaps right into place. Easy, easy lemon squeezy. And just like that, she's looking good. We'll clean the wheel and everything. I did kind of sand this down. There's a lot of corrosion right up through here, which could throw the wheel off balance. But I think I'm really, really happy with this. I am really, really liking Rusty, the car. The car. Get that straight, the car. On the passenger side, this is what we're dealing with. I have the old and the new prepared just for you. Okay, here's the old. Yep. There's your brake pad wear indicator right there. That's why the light was on. Look, just a little bit of meat left. Here's the new one. Look at that. Look how much meat is on this one. Yes, sirree. Okay, we will clean this up, attach this like thus, and get her all back together looking pretty. We'll clean the wheel too. We're going to clean that up a little bit. Beautimus, as we used to say back in the day. Yep, I love it when I'm smart enough to buy a brake kit that includes the hardware. This is new. This is the old piece. That's the junker old piece. Okay, we have everything attached. The wheel goes back on. Then we start her up and kind of break in the pads very, very carefully. But I got to wait for the battery to charge because, of course, the battery's dead. Well, now it's just a waiting game. We're waiting on this guy right here. Would you hurry? I'd like to start this car and see if we fixed anything. Yeah. All right. While the charger does his thing, we're going to start thinking about another video. I got to go back to the Force Find BMW because it's time to read some codes. I had a really, really nice guy, super nice guy, actually find my address and sent me 2 code readers before and after, I think, 1987. So we're going to give them a try. We're going to read the codes. We're also going to put in that interior. I can't tell you how many people have commented they love the dining room chair as a driver's seat. I think it was fabulous, but it's not legal. So we're going to put the chairs in the Force Find Beamer. That's going to be the next video, I think. As far as Rusty, the car right here, I like it. I really, really do. He's coming back to life. He's doing everything that I've asked him to do, and the trunk isn't even looking so bad. Yeah, kinda. It kind of looks bad. But I think with the brakes fixed, the seat fixed, we'll get the clock thing fixed. I think I am going to go ahead and order a black one and then paint it. Save like $70 or $80. Maybe I'll find a tan one. I don't know. We'll see. And I do have to say I'm not finding any leaks under the suspension. This has that ABC suspension that everybody loves because when they go wrong, it gets very expensive. I have a leak in the lower right, in the rear right shock, or the valve body. I think it's going to be the valve body because there's nothing on the concrete below. So I think the valve body is allowing the hydraulic fluid to go back kind of into the reservoir. I think that's how it works. So I don't have to get a strut. I think I'm a strut, or a shock rather. Yeah, I'm so tired, and I'm holding this camera up with my arm like that. So I don't think it's the shock. I think it's the valve body, which you can rebuild. So we will attempt that on Rusty, okay? If you're new to the channel, thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to hit 22,000 subscribers, which for me is huge. Yeah, it's a blessing, and I am fortunate enough to be able to spend more time now doing what I love, trying to be positive here. Yeah, that big career change kind of hit me in the head, but you pick yourself up and you move on. So that's what we're doing. And I just get to spend more time with my friends like Rusty. Okay? Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.